What's up guys? Meijimbo here. So, test vlog and what a coincidence. Ang unang trial natin ng paggamit ng professional camera for vlogging at Ozine. I haven't attended Ozine in a very long time. So, ito ang unang trial natin ng paggamit ng vlogging camera. And it's been a while since I attended Ozine. Ozine. I think I attended nung 2018, 2019 and then hindi na nasundan yun. And then coincidence na may event ako sa Razer on Tuesday. May Ozine event pala ngayon, sabi ng jowa ko. So, ayun. Kabila po. And we're in! We're in! Oh my God. I haven't done this in quite a while.
So yung namin namin, okay? Let's clap like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Put your hands in the air and clap. Yan. Very good. And now, bulabugin natin ang mega wall. Sabay.
Libot na tayo guys, libot na tayo. Usually pag mo-attend ako ng events, ang ginagawa ko lang dati, montage ng mga ganito stores, yan, mga ganyang stores. So, I guess I'll do the same. I'll do the same. Well, maliit lang naman yung venue. Ewan ko, naririnig nyo ako kasi maingay talaga. Pero maliit lang yung venue. Pero dami nangyayari. Dami nangyayari. So, and to think na day 2 pa lang to kasi Sunday siya. In all fairness naman, this is the first time I'm using a camera like this para mag-vlog. Ang bigat sa kamay. Ito sa kaliwang kamay ko, nanginginig na agad ako. Crazy. Pero, may nakita ko entity na hindi ko dapat nakita pero try natin kung mapupuntahan ko. Si Leah Bear. Tingnan ko kung andito siya. Ayun o, Leah Bear. Oh shoot. So sabi nila mag-avail daw ako ng fan service. Eh di okay. Mag-avail na tayo. I haven't seen her in 3 years? 4 years ata. Tama ba? So try natin. Napagastos series. And gagawin daw yung kabedon ba yun? Hindi ko alam kung anong tawag yung igaganon ako ganun. Easiest 1K of my life. Easiest 1K of my life. Good luck sa akin guys. Feeling ko mapapagalitan ako ng jowa ko. Kasi I bought merch si Ma'am Leah. Hindi, for ano lang to, for the memes lang to. For the fandom. Kasi dati naman tayong weeb. Dati naman akong weeb. Kaya dati. Hello po ba? Hello po ba? Okay guys, cancelable moment.
What are you doing?
Di ko po alam.
What
Pero,
are you doing?
pero feeling ko cancelable moment yon. Cancelable moment.
So, pahawak ko.
Ma'am, please be gentle po.
Don't resist, okay? Don't run from me. Come closer. Look at me.
Ganon pala yun. Ganon pala yun. Cancelable moment. Wait lang, ma'am. Dali po. Wait lang. Wait. Doon sa mga nakaranas nun, okay lang. It's good. You should see Ma'am Leah Bear. I haven't seen her in many years, so...
Thank you.
Ma'am, thank you so much. Wait. Hindi pa ako makamove on, ma'am. Wait lang po.
Nakikinig yung tuhod mo.
Oh my God. Ma'am, thank you po. Thank you so much. Thank you po. Thank you po.
May checking ka ba?
Dali lang guys, nangihina yung tuhod ko. Sandali lang. Sige po. Sis po. Sir, how much po ito?
Yung malaki po, 700 po. Ito po.
Ito, yeah?
Ay, ito po. 700 po. Yung pinakamalaki.
Kala ko libo. Sige, one. Kuha tayo ng isa and then pasalubong natin kay Hamchi Pawe kasi she's a dedicated moderator and dedicated and loyal people I always reward. So, yeah. Ayan siya. Aww. Ayun, so meron naman tayong iuwi na souvenir mga kapatid. Hindi naman tayo lugi, hindi tayo uuwi ng luan. Actually, meron pa ako isang pakay. Every convention na pinupuntahan ko, na tingin ko memorable since this is my comeback with attending conventions. Bumibili ako ng parang special type of pin, enamel type of pin. So, hindi ko lang alam kung nandito nagbebenta ngayon yung seller from before. Pero hahanapin ko siya. Tingnan natin, baka nandito siya eh. Tingnan natin. Parang feeling ko wala sila dito ngayon. Wala yung nagbebenta ng special enamel pins. Sayang. Sadly, I'm not into figures and wala rin akong nakitang interesanteng Gundam to buy. So, pag wala, edi wala. Pero gusto ko talaga ng enamel na souvenir. Para meron man lang ako souvenir na pumunta ako ng Ozine Fest. Ozine Fest. Ozine Fest. Hanap muna tayo ng resting spot. Pagod na ako. I'm not as strong as I used to be. Na kaya ko libutin ng isang buong convention lang ng one go. I'm 35 years old, I'm fucking old already. So, magpahinga muna tayo. Hanap lang ako ng uupuan ko na spot. Usually may upuan naman na spots dito sa mga ganitong conventions. Alright, so ayun, nakaupo lang ako ngayon with my other nagpapahingang con-goers and cosplayers. Nagulat ako kasi may lumapit sa akin, viewer ko. Kinonfirm niya muna kung kinonfirm niya kung ako daw yung nag-stream sa TikTok na lumalabas daw sa FYP niya. Sabi ko, pinakita ko yung profile ko, sabi ko, ito ba yung tao na yun? Sabi niya, ako daw. Alam mo yun, na ang saya lang sa feeling na kahit papano nakikilala tayo for what we do. And so, going back, I think wala na ako gagawin with Ozine test. Parang napadaan lang talaga ako. Technically, like, hindi naman talaga ito yung main agenda ko. Pero sabi ko, I wanted to try out vlogging with my camera gear and all. In preparation for the Razer Event sa Tuesday, parang try ko lang kung tatagal ba ako na may hawak na mabigat na camera, ganon. And then, ayun, I just wanted to feel again yung feelings ko back then pag pupunta ng cosplay or anime conventions. It was nice, pero alam niyo yun, like ako graduate na kasi ako, technically graduate na talaga ako with these kinds of events. Pero siguro every now and then mag-a-attend ako kasi pang-unwind after all the grind that I do for years. I mean, last time na pumunta ako ng anime convention was 2 years ago, 3 years ago with ESGS. And hindi na nasundan yun kasi I've been busy with work, grinding ng grinding, papera ng papera, payaman ng payaman. So, ayun. It's nice. Anong next kong gagawin? Probably pupunta ako ng Yabu ba yun? Yabu o Yagu? Parang Japanese resto daw yun na pwede kong kainan ng tonkotsu something. So I might try it out. Alright guys, I'm out. I don't have the same strength as I used to have many years ago. Kaya I'm gonna go out and probably eat. So, special guest yun. Meron naman tayo may uuwi, yung Ushagi, ako naman tawag nila dito sa bear na to, para doon sa loyal ko na mod. So, hanapin ko na yung Yabu ba yun? Yabu? Hanapin na natin Yabu and then kakain na tayo. So, hi guys. So, andito na ako sa Yabu. I waited for an hour para so I can eat dito sa Yabu. And I think kumain na kami dito before ni Scott, yung best friend ko from way back nung dating kami ng ESGS, I think. But other than that, this is my first time eating ng Yabu nang ako lang mag-isa. So, very lonely guy. And ang in-order ko ay menchikatsu. And then, I have to do this thing called the ritual thingy. So, yeah, we'll try that. Okay, first step daw ay grind. Ako mag-press. Brain freeze. Solve. Ayoko na. Kung nag-unli rice pala ako na nag-unli rice, lugi ako eh. Hindi ko mauubos yung pagkain. Buti tumigil na ako ng rice. But yeah, all good. Check out na tayo. Ayoko na. Tapos na. All good. So yeah, that's it guys for Yabu. I'll see you home. So yun guys, we're finally back home sa ating condo unit. I just wanted to share you this beautiful view. Labas mo na ako. So yun, I'm a sucker for city night lights. That's why ang condo unit na lagi kong kinukuha is on an upper floor. Laging kita dapat ang city lights and all. Yan ang lagi kong ina-avail na condo unit pag pupunta ako ng Manila. So yeah, that's where I'm gonna stop the experimental vlog. It's been a while since I did something like this. Ang weird lang kasi the last time I did this was I think 2 years ago with ESGS, and yung ginawa ko with Ozine Fest, that's pretty much just an experimental thing in preparation for the Tuesday event. So with that said guys, thank you very much for watching. I'm sorry for the messy vlog setup. I'm still getting the hang of using a camera like this. So yeah, do check out my other socials, YouTube, Twitch, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. And with that said guys, always remember that you are loved, you're important. I will see you on the next video. Bye guys.